In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on a monthly basis on Systeme.io. If you want to switch to a monthly billing cycle for your Systeme.io plan, the process is very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. To begin, go to your Systeme.io dashboard. This is the main area you'll see after signing into your account, and it's where you can access your account controls, settings, and subscription details. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the profile icon. This is typically located in the top area of the page and gives you access to your account-related options. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your personal account preferences and billing-related options. If you've never visited this area before, just take your time and make sure you're in the correct settings page before moving on. Inside Settings, click on My Plan. This is the section where Systeme.io shows your current subscription details and the available upgrade options. If your goal is to be billed monthly instead of annually, this is the key page you'll need. On the My Plan page, you'll see the available plan tiers such as Startup, Webinar, and Unlimited. Before choosing anything, pay close attention to the billing toggle at the top of the pricing options. Make sure it is set to monthly and not annual. This is important because the billing frequency you choose here determines how often you'll be charged. After that, choose the tier that fits your needs. If you already know which plan you want, you can move directly to that option. If not, it may help to quickly review the available features so you select the plan that best matches your business or workflow. Once you've decided, click the Upgrade Plan button under your selected tier. This will open the checkout page for that specific monthly plan. On the checkout page, fill out your payment information and confirm the purchase. Be sure to review the billing details before submitting, especially to make sure the monthly option is still selected. After confirmation, your payment method, whether it's a card or an integrated payment account, will be charged automatically every 30 days. And that's it. That's how to pay on a monthly basis on Systeme.io. Once the upgrade is complete, your account will follow the monthly billing cycle going forward.